So sorry, I thought I forgot to put the mic on. You always hear the video in this intro 1,000 times. And everyone knows what it's saying. And every time, I've been here laughing at the Aki video, Oh, now they gave me a hiccup.
Well, I should have seen the hiccup. What is you happy with? Oh, let's pop the hiccup. Oh, first, 1 second. I really thought that it goes to place. John. And let me just turn it down and see if we can move it. Oh, whoops. I just had another hiccup.
And it's also kind of weird. Dang it. And I didn't go to the place to see what it would look like. It's like, wait, it worked. It really worked. I just kicked the hiccup out. Now let's pop the hiccup. Is that even not this place? Sorry. I don't know what it will happen. But I have to give to everything to put it yourself. That's that. Okay, so now let's fix my hat. Let's pop the hiccup. Yes, the hiccup pop. So now the next one is. Dang it! It's also like a ghost. How could this get any worse than a Now let's pop the hiccup! So video ko sabihin na hiccup. I think it's time to fall. Hiccup. It's a hiccup. And also kind of insured with the past personality. I'm gonna make it the last thing. Whoops, and my other half, apple. Oh, God, please scare me. Now let's pop the hiccup. In 33 years, I will find that one. No, that wasn't what I meant. Well, you can even decide what I can do with this weirdo. Oh gosh, I'm too tired. I've just watched the House of Mouse episodes. Well, 52 episodes of House of Mouse. But you know which one is my favorite? Well, it's Humphrey in the House. Humphrey's so cute. So cute. Disney characters are so cute than that hiccup. Let's pop the hiccup. So no, I'm not gonna fight in this. I'm not gonna fight. That's the one thing that will become the most important thing in my life. It's probably my thing. Which sometimes it will be pretty magical or something else. Or something other. Much better. And that's what we're gonna do for the hiccup. And then when we got it, let's pop the hiccup. Now, today we're gonna be watching some of these kind of comedy. I don't understand, so what will happen? Do you know happily or happily ever after? Having decided happy tutorial. As well as I didn't comedy. And what happened? You never know. Hiccup! So, we will be playing magical and I hope you can get this video on this